Hi guys, it's Ashleigh. So, in my opinion, there is no better comfort food than a toasted sandwich. So why not kick it up a notch? Today we're making Croque Monsieur. So what you'll need, I'm using Gruyere cheese, really nice homemade bread. If you can't get homemade, look for a nice artisan bread. I've got some sourdough here and some good quality ham. I'm using Mortedella. Some milk, a little bit of salt, Dijon mustard or English mustard. That's what I'm using today. Some butter and some flour. First thing we need to do is make a bechamel sauce. So let's get going. How does this work? Okay, so over a very low heat, we're going to melt our butter. And wait until that's all melted and frothy and yum. We don't want to cook the butter too much, so add in the flour and you want to stir that until the flour is cooked. So we're making a roux. When the butter and the flour are starting to turn a little bit brown, add in your milk. Just going to add a little bit for now. You want to stir that until the flour is incorporated and it starts to thicken. Add the rest of the milk. Switch the heat off now. Keep stirring so that it's not lumpy like mine is. Okay, switch to a whisk if you have a few lumps, just to get rid of them. You're looking for a slightly thick, really creamy looking sauce. Put in some salt. Put in your mustard. This just gives it a nice bit of flavor, a little bit of a kick. We're ready to start building our sandwich. Okay, first step, instead of butter, we're using bechamel sauce on the bottom layer of our bread. Spread that over all the way to the edges. Don't leave any bit of the bread uncovered. Yum. Okay, then first layer of cheese. Keep the majority of it in the center because it's all going to ooze out. Don't be shy with the ham. Then on the second layer of bread, some more bechamel. Put that on top. And then of course, more bechamel. Because you know you need something to stick the top layer of cheese onto the bread. I'm gonna get my baking tray so long. Put it in there and top with some more cheese. It's really decadent. Right, now we're going to bake it in an oven until all the cheese is melted and the bread has started to go crispy. You can't tell me this doesn't look good. Let's serve it up. It smells so good. I can't wait to eat it. It's so crispy and crunchy. Look at that. Let's give it a taste. That is a toasted sandwich. It's delicious. Guys, for a quick, easy lunch that's really gonna impress, Croque Monsieur, because we all gotta eat. Exit stage left.